What's up, guys? I've been out here at the skate park every single night doing my kick flips a day, as you already know. But I haven't been posting, much of the same videos that I've been doing, your kick flips, your shove-its. So I thought I wanted to mix it up. I've been trying to learn some new stuff. So today we're going to try fakie big spins. This trick's one of these tricks that's always eluded me. I don't know. I never could figure it out. Just can't wrap my head around the revert, shove it at the same time, but we're gonna give her the good old college try today. Let's get it. And then you revert, and then a fakie shove. Now put them together. Revert. We're gonna figure this out one way. So, like, am I supposed to revert then shove, or am I supposed to shove then revert? Like, so like, you shove it, revert, because that don't feel right. So you revert and then shove. So here, fakie, revert. Fucking rock. I feel like I'm not even doing this right. That's not it though. Don't understand it. All in one fluid motion facing regular. So I just don't fucking understand it. I need to be facing that way. Oh, that was it. Oh, that was it. I think I understand it now. I think. Oh my God! Okay, we're comprehending it now. We get it. I understand the trick. I understand what to do. Oh! We has rotation. That was not it. All right, fakie big spin. Ah! You got this right here. Ah! Fakie big spins. I will learn you tonight. Ah! Come on, come today. Ah! All right, dude. Full fucking send it. Fall on your ass. Who cares? Ah, damn it! Don't be a pussy. Fuck! Fuck! I need a drink. Man, I hate how this is such a beginner trick, and it's so hard for me. This pisses me off. Oh, fuck! Damn it. What are we doing? So hard, dude. Fuck! Shit's fucking frustrating. Oh, I was scared. Fucking shit landed. What the hell? Fuck! Fuck! Come on. Damn. That's kicking my ass. Ah! You can do it. You can do this. You got it. Fuck! You're like right fucking there, dude. Just land it. You can do it. You're not gonna fall that hard. Ah! Oh! Let's go! We'll do a rebate, but we count that. That was 2 to make it true, but still ugly. Fakey big spins unlocked. Let's go! I understand it now. I understand. Ooh, clean. I understand. Fakey big spins. Let's fucking go.